Namaste and welcome back to the Ambrosia Wellness Podcast, your go to space for holistic health, nutrition, and lifestyle wisdom. Hi, I'm your host Pallavi Pinge, clinical nutritionist, wellness coach, and fellow traveler on this journey of self care. You're listening to episode 41, and today we are diving into something that affects so many of us, but we rarely talk about it openly. Mindful eating for emotional well being. What is mindful eating? Let me start with a quick question. Have you ever found yourself reaching for that extra helping of chips or chocolate, not because you're hungry, but because you're stressed, lonely, bored, or anxious? We've all been there. That's emotional eating. Now, emotional eating in itself is not a bad habit, it's a coping mechanism. But the problem arises when it becomes our only coping mechanism. That's where mindful eating can gently step in. Mindful eating means paying full attention to the experience of eating, your hunger cues, your emotions, your thoughts, and the taste, texture, smell, and satisfaction of food. It's the opposite of autopilot eating. The emotional connection with food. Let me share a story. A few weeks ago, a woman in my community said, Pallavi, I don't know why I eat even when I'm full. I just feel better when I do it, for a while at least. This is common, especially among women juggling careers, home, kids, aging parents, and battling their own inner voices. We sometimes numb emotions with food, sadness with sweets, anxiety with crunchy snacks, stress with carbs. It gives temporary relief, but not real healing. When we don't acknowledge or process our feelings, food becomes a band aid. And over time, this can lead to weight gain, gut issues, mood swings, and worse, shame and guilt around eating. Now, how does mindful eating help in emotional well being? Here's the magic of mindful eating it creates a pause. That pause helps you go from reactive to reflective. It allows you to ask, am I truly hungry or am I just feeling low or anxious? What am I really craving? Comfort, peace, joy, love? Can I give myself that in a healthier way? By doing this, you begin to rewire your relationship with food. It becomes an act of nourishment, not punishment or escape. Research has shown that practicing mindful eating regularly can help reduce binge episodes, improve digestion, and even enhance emotional resilience. Here are 5 simple steps to start practicing mindful eating. Let's make this practical. Here are 5 simple, realistic steps to bring mindful eating into your day. 1. Pause before you eat. Take 3 deep breaths. Ask yourself, why am I eating right now? 2. Eat without distractions. That means no phones, no laptops, no Netflix, just you and your plate. 3. Chew slowly. Notice the texture, the temperature, and the taste. Enjoy it like it's your first bite. 4. Put your fork down between bites. This helps slow you down and keeps you connected to your hunger cues. 5. Tune into fullness. Halfway through your meal, pause and ask, am I satisfied? Not full, just satisfied? These simple practices can bring joy, gratitude, and clarity to eating. It's not about perfection, it's about awareness. Let me be honest, I still catch myself reaching for something sweet on stressful days. But now, instead of guilt tripping myself, I ask, what is my body or heart really asking for? Maybe it's a warm hug, maybe it's rest, Maybe it's a glass of water or a walk outside. Sometimes, yes, it's still the chocolate, but I enjoy it with awareness and no shame. That, my friend, is the power of mindful eating. It connects you back to yourself, and healing begins not just on the plate but in the heart. So let's make a small pact. This week, choose just one meal a day to eat mindfully. No rush, no guilt, no multitasking, just presence and peace. Before we close, here's a quick sneak peek into episode 42. We are talking about why gut health is the root of emotional health. Yes, your gut and brain are deeply connected. What you eat affects how you feel, and it's going to be a game changer episode, so don't miss it. If today's episode resonated with you, share it with a friend or leave me a voice note or a message. And if you want to learn mindful eating in depth, do DM me on Instagram at Eat Right with Pallavi or join my upcoming Menopause Wellness Circle. Until next time, eat mindfully, live fully, and take care of that beautiful soul of yours.